Hello and welcome to this video. I will show you step by step how to check in online in Sky Express. So all you have to do is go to Google, search for Sky Express. This is the keyword. Click the first official website here. You will see this page. In this page, go to my booking option and then click on, you have three options here, check in, you have check in, click on check in. After that, you will redirect it to this check-in page, Sky Express check-in page. In this case, just write your booking reference. For example, this is your booking reference in this case, and this is just random boarding one. Copy your number and paste here, for example, this one. After that, when you write your booking reference, write your last name, and then click Start Check-in. You will redirect it to check-in page, and then you will see all details. You can also go to my Manage Your Booking. This is for Manage Your Booking. You can check in from here, booking reference, and then click Start Check-in. This is how you can do, friends. Basically, it is easy steps to check in online. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, give share this